Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today's mukbang is about to be so fire. I was in the mood to make potato salad because I was on Pinterest and I saw so many awesome recipes. So we have homemade potato salad, a can of Bush's vegetarian, which are vegan, baked beans, and then these are the Gardein turkey cutlets with some of the gravy. Can we admire this plate? I mean, look at that. Yo. It's gonna be so good. Pretty much the way I made the potato salad. Hopefully this table isn't like shaking so much. It's kind of like the way I used to make it before I went vegan. It's like you boil the potatoes, which I use golden potatoes because those are the best. Don't you dare come up here, Abby. So I use the golden Yukon potatoes, boil them. We have onions in there, and then for the sauce I have Vegenaise, mustard, get down, a little bit of apple cider vinegar, like salt and pepper, garlic powder, and relish. That's it. We're just gonna dive in. Yo, I hate how the camera is so shaky. Yes, I'm using my camera box as a stand. I'm gonna mix the potato salad with the beans. A good bite, there we go. Yummy! First bite. Wow. I love how sweet the barbecue beans are. Because of the brown sugar in it. It's so good. Wow. This is amazing. Holy crap. I love mixing them together. It's just the flavors are. These turkey cutlets are nice and crispy, so I'm kind of just gonna pick it up and eat it. Like I said, I put a little of the gravy on it. Thirsty. Yo, this is so freaking good. You can add whatever you want to the potato salad too. That's what makes it so awesome. You can add bell peppers, jalapeno. I didn't really have much fresh veggies left, which is why I only put onion. And then on top, I have paprika and a little bit of oregano for color. Oh, this is so good. Oh, so whack when you can see the box. Oh, yummy. I love baked beans. I love beans in general, just because they're so good for you, and so many different types of beans out there. There's like a bean for everybody. I'm definitely gonna make these two again. Well, I didn't really make the beans, but potato salad for the summer, like 4th of July and stuff. Oh yeah, it is on. I'm sure you'll see this potato salad in a future video because I must recreate it again. It's so easy and cheap. The turkey cutlets kind of taste like the Gardein chicken tenders, but it's like they added something else to it to give it kind of that turkey taste. Regardless though, it's so freaking good. So I'm thinking about like doing a couple videos. Well, not a couple, like maybe one video a week or one video every 2 weeks where like I don't talk and I'm just eating. So you could just like hear me eat, watch me eat, whatever, but I'm not gonna talk in them. Cause I've seen a few of those mukbang videos. I don't know. I kind of like them. Like they talk, but very minimal. I have a nice spring towel. Or like another ASMR video. I could do that. Hold on. I don't want the camera to move, but I'm gonna cut the turkey. Just because I want a bite of like everything together. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Look at that. Oh my goodness. So many like rich flavors going on. Clearly I was thirsty, like damn. Of course, this is the acai blueberry pomegranate. Really? Oh, I feel that first burpee. Yay. I love when I burp because then I like make room for more food. I love it. I've always done that though. Even as a kid. Like I was the child, like I have 3 siblings. I was the child that ate a lot. I wasn't like super big or anything, but my whole family knows me as like the one who'll be sitting in the kitchen eating, grabbing a first plate, burping, and then grabbing my second. I just got a taste of that oregano. I'm definitely gonna add some spring onion to the potato salad next time, just to give it more color and like that crispness. I love it. Question of the day. What are your favorite types of, would you consider this barbecue? Not really the turkey cutlet. But like, what's your favorite kind of barbecue foods? Or like southern comfort foods. What are your favorites? Let me know. There's nothing better than some comfort food, you know? So good. I'm tempted to just like mix it all together. I'm doing it anyways, you know. And take a bite. Is there turkey on there? Yep. So good. So shaky. Wow, this is filling. I knew it would be. Because the potatoes, the beans, you know. This was easily like 2 or 3 servings. But you know how we do on here. We gotta be extra with it. I'm nowhere near STAR's level when it comes to eating. Like, homegirl can eat. I give her props because although that was me at one time, I guess my stomach has shrunk because I can't do it. Probably can't even tell, but I curled my hair last night. I went all out with the makeup, like. Went to Target to pick up a few things, and I wanted to try false eyelashes. Because while I don't wear makeup all of the time, there are some days where I like to, you know, get like that glam look and, you know, look and feel a little bit more girly. Oh, I feel like I have heartburn. So I heard Ardell lashes are like super good, and I'm pretty sure they're vegan. Like 99% sure. So I went and picked a couple of those up, and I wanted to try them on last night, and they were looking good. So then I ended up putting on the rest of my face. Yeah, I was feeling myself last night, taking some pics, some vids, listening to music, and then I wanted to do something with my hair, so I kind of like half-ass curled it. And then I also slept in it, so that's why it probably doesn't even look, I don't know, done, but yeah, those lashes are fire. Abby. I love cats, oh my gosh. I think I'm only gonna be able to take a couple more bites because you don't understand how filling these baked beans and potato salad is. Like, oh my goodness. One. Wow, I'm stuffed. I knew it would be too much, like when I was making my plate, but I'm like, no, I want it to look good, like, and I was also craving it, like, yo, I'm getting my tummy, you know? Definitely would be good later. Like, don't think I'm throwing this out. I'm absolutely gonna save it, put it in a container, and heat it up tonight, for sure. If there's one thing you should know about me, it's that I do not like to waste. I hate wasting. So if I have a little bit of food left over, especially if it's a little bit of food, and 9 times out of 10 Brandon will finish it for me, but even if he doesn't, it's like I force myself to eat it, even though I feel like I'm gonna be sick, just because, I don't know, I hate wasting food. What was I gonna say? I was gonna ask you guys something. Oh, so by the time you are watching this, I will be in South Florida for my cousin's baby shower. And I might record footage there, I might not. I'm gonna be there for like less than 2 days, so it might just be like family time. But yeah, you guys will have a video to watch while I'm there. I'm starting to like be more productive when it comes to that. Like if I have something coming up, I'll make sure I pre-record. Homegirl is fully. Come on over, baby. Is this close? Oh my gosh, I love how it like softens my skin. And I also attempted to pluck my eyelashes last night. I like this side, although they're not like, you know, brushed, but this one has such a better arch compared to that. Like I effed my eyebrows up like a few months back. But anyways, I hope you guys are having an awesome day. Having a great weekend, because like I said, you'll be watching this in the weekend. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed today's mukbang. I definitely enjoyed eating it. It was amazing. If you want this potato salad recipe, like I said, it's super simple and very versatile. But if you do want this recipe, let me know in the comments below. I will be more than happy to give you the recipe. I am legit considering like making an ebook or like I said, a blog or something, because I'm coming up with these recipes like off the top of my head. I love it. But yeah, let me know if you want that recipe or any other recipe that you see on my channel. And yeah, I hope you guys have a great day or night wherever you are in this lovely world, and I'll see you in my next video, which will be very soon. Bye.